Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change clip duration in DaVinci Resolve in 3 different ways. The first method is the traditional one. We bring our cursor to the edge of the clip and drag it right or left to increase or decrease the duration. The point is, if we decrease the duration of a clip, it stays normal, but if we try to increase it, it overlaps with the other clips. So how do we prevent this? For this, click on this icon to turn on Trim Edit Mode. You can also press T on the keyboard to turn it on. After turning it on, we can make the clip bigger or smaller without overlapping it with the others. Now let's look at the second method. Suppose you want to change the clip duration before adding it to the timeline. To do this, make sure that you have the Source Viewer option turned on. If you have the Inspector tab open, close it, then click on these 2 squares to enable the Source Viewer. Go to the Media pool and double-click on the video you want to change the duration of. Now the video will play in the Source Viewer. Here you can see that my video is 4 minutes long. In the Source Viewer, bring the red marker to where you want to keep the clip, then press I on the keyboard to add the in point. Now bring the red marker to where you want the clip to end, and press O on the keyboard to add the out point. Now only the marked part of the video is selected. If I drag the video to the timeline now, you can see that only my selected part has been added to the timeline. Now, if you change your mind and want to adjust the selected clip duration, just double-click on the clip, then drag the ending marker to where you want the clip to finish. Let's move on to the third method now. In this method, you don't need to drag the clips to resize them. First, select the clip you want to resize, then right-click on it. In the pop-up menu, go to Change Clip Duration. You can also do this by pressing Ctrl+D or Command+D. In this pop-up, you can change the duration by time as well as by frames. For this example, we'll select Time. Here you can type an exact time using minutes and seconds, or select a preset. I'll select a 15-second preset. And you can also do this by typing the time manually. After selecting it, click on Change. Here you can see that my clip has changed its duration to 15 seconds. You can also use this method to change all clip durations at once. For this, select all the clips on the timeline by pressing Ctrl+A or Command+A. Now right-click on the selected clips and go to Change Clip Duration. Just like before, enter a specific timecode and press Change. Here you can see that although the clips have been resized, it has left gaps between them, and sometimes it doesn't work properly on certain clips. But there is a way to fix this. First, let's undo the changes. Now turn on Trim Edit Mode again. Select all the clips once more, then right-click on them. Go to Change Clip Duration again, and change the duration according to your needs. Here you can see that this time, the clips are resized and there are no gaps between them. And that's how you can change clip duration pretty easily. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.